all about Spanakopita. Spanakopita is a Greek savory spinach pie. Made of perfectly crispy layers of phyllo dough and a comforting filling of spinach and feta cheese. Some say it may have originated in Greece over 400 years ago. The traditional way to serve the pie is to cut it into small triangles and consume it while slightly warm. Its filling contains steamed and drained spinach, sautéed onions, feta cheese, egg and seasonings. The savory snack may be related to ispanakli, a similar Turkish dish. A version without cheese and eggs is eaten during religious fasts throughout Greece. Cooked spinach has even more iron per cup than raw spinach. Greek feta cheese is one of the healthiest cheeses you can consume. Spanakopita is a good source of calcium iron, zinc, vitamins A and C, and folate. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more interesting facts.